Hi guys, you have been struggling to create a US account. You virtually you have been using the PVA codes, PVA pins, but they are yet to be giving you the numbers, and you have not been receiving codes in creating of US account due to the upgrading and then the system that Fiverr have actually upgraded. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you like 3 websites that actually give a code. 3 websites that actually give you a code that you can use a virtual number and receive a code in creating of your US account. Okay, number one is a SMSPVA. SMSPVA. SMSPVA.com is different from PVA codes. It's different from PVA pin. SMSPVA.com. That's number one. So they give a virtual number and they're going to be you are going to be receiving a code when creating your US account. Then number two is 5sim.net. 5sim.net. You can see all those things spelling that are being displayed on the screen. 5sim.net is also a virtual number that are also releasing and giving you a code. Then the third one, which is this one is like legit and very, very active, and you can use it for like, but the platform is kind of very, very, very expensive in navigating. Okay, so which is blackartworld.com. Blackartworld.com. So these are the three websites that actually can give you a code in creating your US account. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me for more. Thank you.